Is your strata or condo board considering changing your poly piping? Worried about downtime, mess, feasibility? In partnership with Plumbing Tracks, we offer hassle-free transition and easy access for future servicing. Our system is not only efficient, but also designed to blend seamlessly with your condo's aesthetic. We can do all the plumbing work in one day while our clients still live in their condo.
Yeah, it was ideal. All the work was done spick and span, and it was great.
Instead of tearing up all of the drywall, we can track around a roof of a condo building, ensuring that the integrity of your space is maintained. So this one's going to be pretty similar floor plan to the one we were just looking at, but this one's completely done. The track system is finished being installed, and we've paint matched everything. You would never be able to tell that there is plumbing behind the wall here. Look at that. And the best part is that if any of this ever needs to be serviced, it pops right off and you can access all of the plumbing lines from behind. If this sounds like something that your condo board is interested in pursuing, please reach out to one of my offices and we'd be more than happy to send a specialist over to evaluate and design the appropriate project for your needs.